Globe showing Europe-Africa environmental impact of water heaters. Water heaters contribute to energy consumption and environmental impact more than many homeowners realize. In this video, we cover heavy checkmark energy usage and efficiency, heavy checkmark environmental effects, heavy checkmark water conservation tips, heavy checkmark upgrading to eco-friendly systems, heavy checkmark maintenance strategies. Making smarter choices with your water heater can help reduce your environmental footprint while improving efficiency. Open book, read the full guide.